Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about some cool and easy painting ideas that you may paint as beginner. And also I'm going to paint this cute little painting of pumpkin, so let's get started. If you love art but having trouble coming up with painting ideas, you are not alone. It's helpful to have an inspiration piece to follow, especially if you are a beginner. So I have gathered some easy things to paint that can be completed in an afternoon or at a very short time. This painting will helpful for fun or to improve your skills. First idea is to paint some fruit. Paint fruits like pear, orange or apple or any fruit of your choice. Like I'm painting a pumpkin today and it's actually very easy. But most important thing is that I'm having so much fun while doing it. I actually fascinated by its bright colors and also I wanted to play with shadows and transitions of color, so I decided to paint this super easy fruit painting. It's mini painting which is really therapeutic to me. So instead wasting of your time thinking about what to paint, just paint the easy things around you. Another easy painting idea is to paint some flower. If you are a floral painting lover and love its vibrant colors, you may consider painting some flower on your empty canvas. When I'm stuck or have an art block day, I paint flower because it is giving me so much of joy and I really love its beautiful shapes and colors. Your flower painting doesn't need to be super tidy and perfect. Let the color flow on your canvas or a paper and have relaxed mind and paint some flowers. Admire its color and its beauty. Be excited about how it will turn out in the end, and I have already made a whole video about why you must paint flowers as beginner. You can check out that video. I will put the link in the description box. Another easy idea is to paint a planter or a plant. Take a snap of your favorite planter at your home and use that image as your reference. Play with different colors and enjoy painting this vibrant painting. Planter painting is so much relaxing and very nice for practicing as beginner. If you do not want to paint a whole big painting, you can opt for a mini painting as the one I am painting right now. Plant painting are so much easy and also you will learn how to improve your color transition techniques by this type of paintings. There are some other painting ideas like small creature paintings or bird paintings. You can surf through internet and search your reference pictures for this. Try not to copy straight from the reference picture. You can always add your few ideas to it, or you may consider mismatching your different reference pictures in Photoshop and then use it as your reference. In this way, you can create your own unique art piece and slowly will learn how to create your own style. So all these are my picks and suggestions to you guys. As beginner artists, it can be very confusing and hard to find inspiration for your art, and it is totally normal. Therefore, I share with you guys these few easy painting ideas that you may consider. Also, it's best way to learn about the shadows and light, which is the most important part of any painting. Hope this video will help you to get some really cool ideas to paint and have fun with your art.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
my pumpkin mini painting, which I love because I was not bothered about the end result, I was just enjoying the process. So that's it for today, guys, and if you guys also know some more interesting ideas for easy paintings, you can share your knowledge with us in the comment box. And if you like the video, hit a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest video. And I will come back soon with my next art video. Till then, take care and paint often. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.